Hello everyone. Today we are going to unbox this Kratos K9 selfie stick with full light tripod. So the name is written here, selfie stick with full light tripod, and the Kratos logo is on the top. And on the sides there are some specifications. It's a tripod, can be used as a tripod. There is multifunction remote and stainless steel rod, and 360-degree rotation is possible with this tripod. And on the back side we have the length 1.7 meter length extendable tripod stand, and there is the manufacturer details, address, etc. there, the barcode and the QR code, the insta follow code, etc. is there on the side. And on the top and bottom sides there is nothing. In the top side there is Kratos logo is there, so you can open it here. Let me take out these staples and open it. So I bought it from Amazon. The price was around 500-600 something, so it was an offer price, and this is a very good product for this offer price. So let's open it. There is this cover outside the selfie stick. You can take out this cover. Now let's keep this box and this cover away, and let's take a look at the selfie stick. This is very handy. It can be held in a hand. This is like the folded format, so this we can use it as a selfie stick and a tripod. It's a multifunction, so now we can use it like this as a selfie stick with the phone attached at one end. So let's see where we can attach the phone. So this is the position for holding the phone. When the phone is held here, we can take the selfies. And there is a light here. There's a light button is there on the back, and it's very bright light, so we will get a bright light from the tripod or from the selfie stick for taking the photos. So there's no need of external flash from the phone, and especially for taking selfies. So this is very extendable up to 1.7 meters, so we can adjust the legs of the tripod here on the bottom, and the top we can extend up to 1.7 meters. So let's see how this works. So we can there is 3 legs out there. We can keep it wide open and place it anywhere on the table, on ground, etc. So now this is a mini tripod. We can use it as a mini tripod now, and the selfie stick becomes a mini tripod. So we need to look at how much length this tripod can be extended. The stainless steel rod of the tripod can be extended. So we can see it here. We have placed it in the ground, and we are trying to extend the stainless steel rod of the tripod. So like where this is only a mini tripod, now we can extend it. After we extend it, it looks something like this. That is 1.7 meter long. So this is almost high as a person. So we can keep the phone, we can rotate this in any orientation we need, and we can switch on the flashlight on or off, and we can place the phone here. The flashlight has 2 brightness settings, one low brightness and one high brightness. Both brightness levels gives pretty much light. So this is where we attach the phone. So let me show you how to attach the phone here. So this is the phone I am going to attach. This is a pretty big phone, so we can attach it like it. One end, first we need to attach the one end, and the other end is extendable. So just pull it on one side, and it can be extended, and we can attach it like this. So this is how we attach, and after attaching we can rotate it. We can align it in the portrait orientation or the landscape orientation. The tripod can be aligned in both orientations. It can also be rotated with respect to the y-axis to the other sides. So thanks for watching my video. I'll be back with a new video. Until then, goodbye.